Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out this PYT Beauty Upcycle Eyeshadow Palette, the Warm Lit Nude Mini that I got in my May 2021 Ipsy Glam bag, which if you have not seen that unbagging video, I'll have that linked in the description down below so that you can check it out. But I was really excited to get this adorable little palette. I love a mini eyeshadow quad like this, especially when you get all the shades you need to do a beautiful cohesive look, and I feel like that's what I'm getting with this. It's neutral, looks like there's 2 mattes on the bottom here and then 2 shimmers. It says each shade is highly pigmented, blends easily, and is infused with vitamin E to keep the delicate skin on your lids hydrated and comfy. And this brand is animal friendly, free from harsh chemicals, and made with post-consumer recycled plastic. So I love that about this brand, that they make sustainable products. But so let's go ahead and swatch these and see how pigmented they really are. Ooh, nice velvety feel to them. Nice. Ooh, a very pigmented matte. Wow. Yeah, these are very impressive and I really like these shades. So here are what those swatches look like. I am really happy with these colors. Nice neutral shades. And so as per usual, when I review an eyeshadow palette, I'm taking my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion and I'm going to apply this all over one of my eyelids to compare how the shades look with and without a primer. Blending this all over the lid. Unfortunately, this palette doesn't have a super light matte kind of white shade that I would typically use to set and prep the lids. I could probably get away with using that lightest brown in a light dusting, so I'm gonna try it. So I'm really just going to take a little bit and lightly dust it all over the lid, not even trying to build up any color yet. Doing that same thing on the other eye. All of the other shades are dark enough that going on top of this shade will be fine. But okay, at least this way I do have a little base layer on the lid. But I am gonna pick up that shade again and let's see if we can build it up in the transition area. So going to blend that from the crease and then working it up onto the brow bone. And yes, this is a really good transition shade and the pigment does build up. So it does look darker here in the transition area than it does where I lightly dusted it all over the lid. Building up a little bit of contour. I just want to mention these brushes. I use these all the time, but they're from the brand Moda Pro, and this is the BMX 430 crease brush. But I love my Moda Pro brushes. They're the ones that I feel like I'm always reaching for the most. And I like this brush so much, I'm actually just going to clean it off in this brush cleaner material here to pick up my crease shade here, the other matte brown. There's not even much kickback either. And then I'm going to focus this right into the crease. Ooh, this is a really nice brown shade that's super easy to blend and diffuse, but also very pigmented. So I'm also going to work this into that outer V. And this way I'm building up the shape, lifting and contouring the eye. All right, I am really liking how this looks. But now let's move on to some shimmers, which I am just going to pick up with my finger. I'll start with the darker brown shimmer shade, more like a copper shade, and apply this into the outer half of the eyelid. And this is so pretty, a very pigmented metallic shade. Looks so good with the other browns on the lid. And then I really like to keep the inner section of the eye lighter and then the outer section darker to enhance the eye shape. So now I'm taking that shimmery gold and focusing that on the inner half of the eyelid. And this is a really pretty metallic shade as well. So this is how I would use all 4 shades in the palette to create an eyeshadow look, but you can actually create so many different looks if you don't use all 4 shades or change it up a bit. It's actually pretty versatile for a neutral warm tone palette. I really like that. It's kind of giving me like summery vibes with the gold orange tones. And then let's just finish it off with a little lower lash line shade. And I'm actually going to go back into the matte brown shade, which I really like, and pull this whole look together and also bring that along that lower lash line. See how pigmented that is? Wow. I feel like this eyeshadow look would look so good with some nice bold false lashes. Fun glam summer nights eyeshadow look. And here you can see my finished eyeshadow look, and I am very impressed by the formula, the colors, very easy to use, very simple. I'm like, which eye did I put the primer on? Because you really can't even tell a difference. But this is the eye with the primer. Both look equally pigmented without creasing. So this looks so pretty. I just love looking at this color combination. And I really actually enjoy how tiny this is. It won't take up much room in your makeup bag, but you can still create a full glam eyeshadow look, or just do a really simple, maybe just a little crease shade for the daytime. So I'm really happy to have this in my collection now. I think this is a great product that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. So if you got this, I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Let me know what kind of looks you've created with it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.